I'm a team. I want fuck dead, I'm a wood a bridge, shine young, put stock, keep on the back and squeeze the breast.
I know for no did a chat for me name. But if you see me mash up and drop on me face, no I'm me there, so I.
Yeah, you rolling baby, mother, with the bumbo clat, you say to me.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. So yo, in another video, we have a few topics where really and truly should have talked about them already, but you don't know real boss come a road, so a few things have to shelf for your later date. But you don't know one sitting on the street, we have to talk about it. If we over Line TV not talk about it, it not valid. So we see Nigel Boy, him get award at Sumfest what day, and me I tell no point blank from now, me no agree. Yes, what me I say. Later on, I will tell you why. We also switch for Silkboss, do an interview with Walk and Talk, and the man talk about the golf incident. But we see him say something regarding Terro Don and Silkboss. Watch it, youth. You see all of the blessings them when they on you right now, easily them can get take away, and you need to understand that and be grateful. Based on the things them and the style, you know, me see a style Terro Don. We not support that. You see what me I say? Vybz Kartel, ex-baby mother, Shorty, style him up in the wickedest way. And it make me a wonder, was Alkaline right? Is this a confirmation? Say Alkaline chop it for real? Is this a confirmation? Say Popcorn chop it for real? Viewers and subscribers Shorty now go on good and she don't understand right now, see no fear time. But yeah, before we go further in the details, me ask you for them one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. When you reach this far, so please me ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it.
Cartel, me have a problem, want to help me solve the case. I'm out me there find some boy ransack my place. The neighbors see them face them.
So up first, we see Nigel Boy get awarded on a Sumfest one of them days. So I say Sumfest gone maybe about 3 weeks ago. Something like that. And Nigel Boy was awarded. Now immediately when me see it, me I say awarded at Sumfest in first Sumfest performance. Me say yeah, in blind him can't see. So we understand, say, them have to treat him and deal with him different from how them deal with the rest. But me I say, for his first ever Sumfest appearance and him get awarded, then me later understand, say, yo, he was awarded with, I think, some key for the city, something like that, and it was coming from the mayor of Mobile and whatever. So really and truly, it never really have nothing to do with Sumfest other than the fact that he received the award at Sumfest. But still, viewers and subscribers, I don't think Nigel Boy earned the merit of that award so fast. Yes, can't deny the fact, say yo, a talented artist. Can't deny the fact, say yo, I wanna be a finest. But viewers and subscribers, we see so much others come through the ranks from same place down at Mobile. And up until now, some of them don't get an award. Up until now, we don't see nobody at Sumfest say yo, look on Beanie and Bunty, not that they are from Mobile, but just a give an example. What it takes and favor them and they go up on Sumfest stage and them say them are present something for them. And Nigel Boy, right now, oh, he look like him code the game. So as when me say, even though this award not really have nothing to do with Sumfest outside of the fact that it was presented to him at Sumfest, me not think Nigel Boy reached this one. Nigel Boy no boss it. This is reality. This is dancehall. This is music. 2 hit song, 3 hit song, that's all. Him no boss it. Give him little more time to see him run the place and then we can see alright, he cement himself. And as I said, this is not to take away anything from Nigel Boy's credibility of being a good artist, a good songwriter. The great, but him not paying use it. And that's how me I say, viewers and subscribers, tell me your thoughts down below on Nigel Boy being awarded at Sumfest by the mayor of Montego Bay. We are move right along.
No say nothing, me a link you know. Me I bring bullet by the boxes, gun by the case, bomb by the Navy base. So I'm the squad.
So Silkboss, him do an interview and me not go play the interview over here. Because if you don't know how we over Line TV has to do it, we try our very best crap things from people channel or this or that and make it seems as if we are violate them terms and them conditions and whatever the case may be, because really and truly I know everybody like that. So yeah, me know someone probably see the interview already with him and Walk and Talk and see the things them what him say. But if you not see it yet, you can go up on TikTok and type in fresh drop, them have it over there. Him say a few things. The first things what him say were kind of telling but make sense was the golf incident. One whole heap of man surround him with machine and everything. We want him do. The man I make the world know, see you watching a youth. Me have my baby mother not even drop me youth yet. And me figure make them boy take me out in that happen. So him humble himself and take it back up and all of them things there. So me I say just so that he can live to fight another day. Whole heap of people call him coward. Up until now, me still I say Silkboss must not sing another gangster song. Silkboss must not sing another bad man song just because of the video and the situation where he get himself in. Yes, what me I say. But Silkboss was right and he did the right thing by living to fight another day. And nobody go on like say, yo, one man against the world like Greggy Isaac. So what me I say. But we see him further continue and him speak on the Terro Don situation. And at this so me get upset. And me I say, no, Silkboss should I get them box the front round of golf. The man literally said under a quote, if me see Terro Don right now, me run me car over him. That's what the man say. And him say more things. The man I make the world know say Terro Don rob him up. As since him left run Terro Don, he start make money. Silkboss, oh you have to say that. Oh you have to say if you see the man now, you run your car over him. Silkboss, you remember say all of them songs that where you record with Terro Don, you record them before you go to Terro Don. What happened to them song there? Them not gone nowhere. You see what I say? Terro Don use his influence and his platform and put up on top one of the fastest rising dancehall artists we ever see. You shot past everybody in the new generation. And yo, we not take the fact say yo, you are very talented, probably the most talented dancehall artist in the new generation. And when I say new generation, I talk about the Joshy, the Skeng, them and whatever, even though Joshy are my artist, but I just say you are very talented and that nobody can take from you. But if you say that way you say, brother, I know you should not get them back the front row of golf. Terro Don is the reason why you have a car. If you even come talk, say you go run your car over the man, bro. You dey run Terro Don and you say you never make no money till you left run Terro Don. Since you left run Terro Don, how much hit song you have? And one big song you have since you left run Terro Don and a surgery, you know. And then when the golf man them backs you up, you know, you go do one song, say, mommy, you're sorry, you know. But before all of that, everything you drop run a Terro Don a hit. And even if you never didn't make the money where you're supposed to make, and we know say them things you don't come on the music. Well, if artists get robbed. But you what? Sometimes you have to go and take a rob until you reach on a level where you can set certain things for yourself. Yeah, and the man have a chemistry and it a work. The bigger you get, and the more talk you have. You take your time as you're done. Get an extra percentage over your son, man. And then now you take your time so till you and the man good. And that is just my opinion based on the facts you say. You never did make no money around him. But at the end of the day, you get the exposure. You get to go London, you get to go Canada, you get to perform and show here and there. People start to know you get to drop hit song. The man set up the foundation for you. So if you come and say this, my youth, bro, I can tell you this. You not make no money. No matter what you want to say. You not have no song. You see what I say. And me not see you on no stage show either. You need to apologize to Terro Don. And alright, that's what I left. Viewers and subscribers, tell me your thought on Silkboss making that statement. Say if you see Terro Don right now, he running car over him. Yeah, man. And him never done no money running down. We are move right along.
The shot girl have me know she lonely when she honey and want her fuck you never there.
So the last thing we have to touch upon, Vybz Kartel finally know what freedom look like. Him also finally know what freedom feel like. Every day we see the boss out in the street, make sure he ain't touch the road whether him wife he a drive or him a drive or otherwise. But him out in the street, you see what I say, he nearly fresh air and everything and just go and do him exercise, live him life, spend time with him family, etc. But since Vybz Kartel release, we see Shorty and go on with a thing. Viewers and subscribers, me know they have to beat Shorty, me know they have to bash Shorty. You see what I say? Whatever she and Vybz Kartel have, me no business with it, and nobody really knows. But what we know as fact is that she bear 3 sons for Vybz Kartel. You see what I say? And regardless of who is there now between she and Vybz Kartel, we don't know say yo, and this is the real love there. That's what I say, viewers and subscribers. But Shorty dey on a roll. She dey on a roll to a point where Shorty posted this. Listen to it.
Who does amidst prosperity, success? Yes, so I say positive vibes. Yeah, when
now, yes, when you hear about Judas, that is the definition. Viewers and subscribers, yes, when somebody will turn to them, them even for them own an enemy, if you get back at you can't want it worse than that. And may I tell you, say, out of everybody's song we Shorty if you listen to, out of everybody we Shorty supposed to turn to, out of every camp in a dancehall, Vendetta should have been the last place, especially when you put everything into context when it comes on to Alkaline and Vybz Kartel. You think Shorty never know what she do? I guess she a lash out, but now is not the time, Shorty. You understand what I say? A lot of people love, rate and respect you, including myself, based on the fact say, yo, you did a hold it down for the G. You see what I say? You did a hold it down for teacher, and you hold it down with the youth them. You understand what I say? Yo, respect for that. But Shorty, don't put down yourself to the ground that low. You understand what I say? Just because you see a man forward out now with another woman, make Kartel do him do. You don't have to do it. And people need to always understand so we are man do. A woman not supposed to do it. But yeah, enough of that. Speaking of Vybz Kartel, we see him have a ER interview was supposed to come out tomorrow. Not only that, we see Vybz Kartel active on the media, which is good, but you don't know my opinion on that already. Vybz Kartel should have just locked himself 1-3 months. Obviously, people will see even on the street and get a little clip and whatever, but lock himself 1-3 months. The picture them don't come out with him coming or exiting the prison, so we can go and put pan them there. All him need to do, go and get himself ready, go and get back himself healthy, so I say spend time with him family and friends, and just keep a low profile and then forward out. But question I'm going to ask you, Vybz Kartel first interview being that with ER, no feel like say what the same should have gone first interview, or feel like say should have been on stage with Winford Williams? Tell me down below in the comment section. And next question I'm going to ask you, Vybz Kartel first show, no feel like say if you make a promoter put on a show and book him, or you feel like say him supposed to keep him own show like a Butcher Bantan do? The next question I'm going to ask you, for Vybz Kartel first show, you feel like say it should be performance exclusively by Vybz Kartel only, because we know say the man they can perform till now till a man no, or you feel like saying if you draft up back for the Portmore Empire or for the Gaza, even for that, for just that show, draw back for Popcorn, Tamili, Javinji, Black Rhino, the whole works, and them just keep a show and know see yo everybody perform. Yo, viewers and subscribers, me feel like say that would be the best option. But tell me down below in the comment section when you reach this far. So please give this video a like. Bless up.